This is the second episode of my HTC VIVE VR headset up tutorial. In this episode, episode 2, we will be going through all the major components included with your headset. So without further ado, let's get started. While the particular headset we will be using for this tutorial is a used unit, it is in perfectly working order, and like the other HTC VIVE headsets here at Blackbox Realities, is used in testing programming and other virtual reality equipment. Here we have a quick look inside the box. Again, while this is a used headset, it is in perfect working order, and we can start going through the individual components that are included with the headset. Here we have the headset's main unit, the main power cable between your headset and the adapter, which will be shown later, your controllers, and your two base stations. Your base stations are for your tracking. Then we have the two power cables for the base stations. Next, on the right, is your connector cable between your base stations in order to sync them, and on the left is your main power cord. This will run from the wall to your adapter. Next is your HDMI cable. And finally, we have on the right your USB cable, in the middle your main adapter, and on the left your controller charger. Now the controller charger is red because that is an aftermarket part. Again, this is a used headset. And with that, this concludes episode 2 of our HTC VIVE setup tutorial. In the next video, I will be showing you how to get your headset plugged in and set up and ready to use. See you then.